Layton Sports Cards are open 2 boxes of 2018-19. Select basketball. These are for Henry P. Good luck, Henry. All right. Is that what they did? Really? Nice. Rookie silver, Trae Young. There you go, Henry. Nice start. First pack. Nice Trae. There's Blake Griffin. There's DeMar DeRozan, Gobert, Vanderbilt. Yeah. I told a boss one time, nice. That's Grayson Allen. Rookie tie-dye die cut to 25. 5 of 25. Yeah, I told a boss one time, he let a guy drive all the way into work. He lived like 45 minutes away and fired him. He's like, dude, if you ever decide you need to fire me, you better just call me and let me know. Or wait till I'm done with the shift. There's MPJ. And that is Kyle Lowry. Tie-dye courtside. That is 19 of 25. So the rule on that is if it wouldn't be okay if Rich was sitting in this chair instead of me, then it's not okay. There's John Collins. Tricolor. This is rookie jersey. That is Kevin Knox. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Yep. There's Jaylen Brown's GOAT. It's not numbered. Nope. Not on this channel. Porzingis, Kuzma. What did you say? Treppy card. Oh, I missed it. There's Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, red. Die cut to 175. Yeah, I was gonna say I think his definition of PG-13 might be a little loose. There's tricolor, Devin Booker. Teal, Andre Iguodala, $2.99. Yeah, that's all right. He has his people to answer to. I have my people to answer to. This is to 99. That is auto. Dave Cohen's green parallel. That's nice. Really like the look of that card. Yeah, I cuss a lot, like a whole lot. I just don't do it on the stream. I mean, I respect the fact that people do watch with their kids. That's how I started. There's Jamal Murray, tricolor. I got into breaks watching him with my son. Was he? You were around back when the world was in black and white. There's LeBron. This is jersey relic, Markieff Morris. It's the RCC, right? What's the FCC? Federal Communications Commission, something like that? Yeah, it's the rich communications system. Or whatever. No, I agree though. There you go. Schroeder. Pigs on it. Dude, Paul Giamatti was amazing in that movie. There's MPJ, rookie silver. KAT scope. Nice. Luka, red rookie card. I think that's the $2.99. Give me a second, I'll check. That is 1 of 199. Here you go, Henry. Very nice Luka. Thicky here. Oh. There's Chris Paul tricolor. And 1 of 25. That is tie-dye patch card, Kevin Garnett. Here you go, Henry. I know, Schlager. I know. Oh, really? That's cool. There's Zach LaVine. Missed one. Damian Lillard. There's LeBron slash and dash insert silver. Nice one, Henry. And that is jersey card, Jonathan Isaac. Select swatches. That is not numbered. There's Mike Conley. And that's Grayson Allen. Purple die cut. That's the 99. Friday. Nats and Cardinals, game 1. Mo Bamba, Patty Mills, blue. That's the 249. I mean, you can start one. I'm confident it wouldn't change anything. There's DeAndre Ayton, rookie. I know, right? Try it around the house and then pull a hammy or something. There's Triple J. That's tricolor, Serge Ibaka. And white, that's Anthony Simons. It's the 149. 2 to go. Come on, let's see a big hit. There's Bagley, rookie. This is the 25. That is rookie patch auto tie-dye, Moritz Wagner. Bow to your sensei. There's LeBron. Last pack. Good luck, Henry. There's Mike Conley, tricolor. Isaiah Thomas, and that's going to do it for your boxes. Thanks for the purchase. I appreciate it. We'll get these shipped right out to you.